Welcome to the Car Compass, how to reset your oil light or your maintenance in your 2026 Acura MDX. You're in the right place and I'm going to show you how. You're going to have the ignition on. I'm going to push twice on the engine start stop button. The engine does not have to be on. On the right side with this wheel here, acknowledge that the door is open, and then scroll until you get to the oil life. You have multiple cards over there. At the oil life where the maintenance is, as you can see right here in the video, push and hold this wheel for about 10 seconds. And in these 10 seconds, you're going to see a message popping up after this. Then you can release the wheel and you're going to choose between your item A, item 1 or item 2. All we need is to reset item A only. And reset was completed. Thank you for watching.